Dear students, today we are going to discuss about dilation and absorptions. So, what is the dilations? And next, what is the absorptions? The discussions, these chapters. The first of all, what is the dilations? The definitions. So, dilation means the complex food materials. So, converted into the simple food materials. Macromolecules converted into the micromolecules is called dilation. So dilation is a food is important materials. The food is a basic requirement of all living organisms. Food is a basic requirement of the all organisms. So requirement of the energy gives the requirement of the energy food. So the food is the basically carbohydrates. And the second one is the proteins, and the third one is the lipids, and the fourth one vitamins, minerals, and the sixth one water. So every food items consisting of 6 items. First one is the carbohydrates, second one is the proteins, next third one lipids, fourth one vitamins, and the fifth one minerals, sixth one water. So carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids, these are the three substances, macromolecules. Three substances, macromolecules. The meaning is also micromolecules. Macro means complex substances, micro means simple substances or simple food materials. So these three types of food materials, carbohydrates and proteins and lipids, macromolecules, the breakdowns the micromolecules. So converted macromolecules breakdowns converted into the micromolecules. So carbohydrates finally converted into the glucose, and the proteins finally converted into the amino acids, and next lipids converted into the finally fatty acids. So this is the macromolecules. This is the glucose, amino acids, and the fatty acids with components the micromolecules. So carbohydrates and proteins and lipids cannot directly absorb the macromolecules. So macromolecules always converted into the breakdowns. The macromolecules they easily absorb directly into the blood. So see the food. The food is a basic requirement of the all living organisms and a requirement of the energy, and a source of the energy, the formation of new cells and new tissues and other organisms, the formations of the food materials. So next question on the digestive system. Digestive system consisting of two parts. One is the alimentary canal, the second one is the digestive glands, or another one is the associated glands. So two parts, alimentary canal and digestive glands are associated glands. So alimentary canals consisting or comprising two openings. Alimentary canals, two openings. One is the anterior openings and the posterior openings. Anterior openings the alimentary canals beginnings with mouth and ends with anus. Alimentary canals the two openings, anterior opening and posterior openings. Anterior opening is called mouth and posterior opening is called anus. So mouth is the alimentary canals beginning with mouth and ends with anus. So alimentary canals in between the mouth and anus. So the beginning with mouth and ends the anus. The following the parts are consisting of the alimentary canal. So alimentary canals, the straight, the coiled reticula. Alimentary canal is the straight and the tubular find the alimentary canals find in the digestive system. The first one called the mouth. The mouth is in between the upper lip and the lower lip. Mouth is in between the upper lip and the lower lip. Product is the upper lip and the lower lip in between the mouth. So mouth leads into the buccal cavity. So buccal cavity. So the second part of the alimentary canal. So buccal cavity or another name is the oral cavity. So buccal cavity, another name is the oral cavity. So buccal cavity is a consisting of the two or three parts. So buccal cavity is a first one is the teeth and so tongue or salivary glands also present inside the buccal cavity. So buccal cavity anterior part and posterior part. Anterior part and posterior part. So buccal cavity anterior part and posterior part. This is also hard palate. This is also soft palate. So hard palate and soft palate. So the buccal cavity is the anterior part made of hard palate and the buccal cavity is the posterior part made of soft palate. So hard palate is made of the palatal rugae. So palatal rugae. And the soft palates the made of uvula. Uvula. So this is the hard palates made of the palatal rugae and soft palates made of the uvula parts. This is also two parts. The buccal cavities, the buccal cavities, the two parts, the anterior part and the posterior part. Anterior part is the hard palate and the posterior part is the soft palate. So hard palates is made of the palatal rugae and the soft palates is made of the uvula part. And next the buccal cavity. So the buccal cavity consists of the teeth. Buccal cavities. What is the teeth? So teeth say the four types of teeth. So this is one of the dipiodont, piodont, and epidodont type. So dipiodont teeth, epidodont teeth. So dipiodont teeth means two types. The two types originates in the teeth. Teeth say so the two types the dipiodont teeth or epidodont teeth. Dipiodont teeth means two times originates in the lifetimes the human beings. Teeth say two times originates the lifetimes the human beings. The first one is the milk teeth and the second type of the permanent teeth. The milk teeth replacement of the permanent teeth, hence the name is called dipiodont. Dipiodont means two times originate. Two times originate the lifetimes the human beings, hence the name is called dipiodont. So the milk teeth, first one is the milk teeth and the second one is the permanent teeth. So milk teeth and the permanent teeth. So milk teeth say the total number of milk teeth say 20 and the permanent teeth the total number of 32. So the teeth the dentitions. So dental formula is equal to half of upper jaw by half of lower jaw into multiplication 2. So half of upper jaw by half of lower jaw into so the dental formula. Examples dental formula is half of upper jaw. So human beings dental formula 2123 by 2123 into 2, half part of the upper jaw and remaining half part of the upper jaw. The total 2 plus 1 3 8 into 2, same 8 into 2 is equal to 16, is equal to 16, total 32. You see the permanent is, so permanent is, next milk is, so 2102 by 2102 into 2. So this is also 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5. 5 to 2 ja 10, 5 into 2 ja 10, total 20. So this is the milk teas. So milk teas 20 number of the milk teas, and the milk teas in the replacement and the permanent teas in total 32 teas. So see the heterodont type. Heterodont means all type of the teas the same equal sizes cannot equal sizes and same shapes and sizes, so different sizes and different shapes is called heterodont type. Heterodont type means so cannot be all teas cannot equal sizes. So teas the four types of teas. The four types of teas. So first one is the incisor. Second one is the canyons. Third one is the premolar. Fourth one is the molar. Incisor, canyons, premolar and molars. So four types of teeth. The four types of teeth are teeth unequal shapes and unequal size. Hence the name is called heterodont type. So incisor, canyons, premolar and molars. So all animals so cannot equal sizes and cannot equal shapes. So like for example some of the animals so equal shape and equal sizes is homodont type teeth is primarily some of the animals. But human beings all teeth cannot equal shapes or equal sizes. So different shapes and different sizes. Hence the name is called heterodont type of the teeth in human beings. So because the four types of teeth. So how many types of teeth? Four types of teeth: incisor, canyons, premolar and molars. So incisors useful the incisors cutting of food materials. Incisor is cutting the food materials. The canyons. So this is the useful the canyons type of the teeth. The piercing. The piercing. So piercing are tearing the food materials. The premolar and molars. This type of the teeth. Chewing and chewing. So chewing as well as chewing the this type of the two teeth. See the incisor teeth useful the cutting the food materials. Canyons tears and piercing. The premolars chewing the food materials. Four types of the teeth is present in the human beings. So hence the name is called heterodont type. So the teeth two types: diplodont type, heterodont type. Diplodont means the two times originates the lifetimes the human beings is called diplodont. Heterodont means all types of the teeth cannot same equal shapes and equal sizes. The different sizes and different shapes hence the name is called heterodont. So the four types: incisor, canyons and premolar and molars. So this is the four types of the teeth, the heterodont type of the teeth. So next the teeth, next buccal cavity. The second one is the example, the structure of tooth. The structure of tooth is three parts. Structure of tooth is three parts: the crown part, neck part, and the root. So the tooth structure of tooth three parts. The first one is the crown part, second part is the neck, and the third part is the root. The crown is the visible part. Crown is the visible part. See the three parts each one is the structure of the tooth. I will continue the next class.